Want to fix Among Us, error, friend code fail? This video will show you the simple tricks to add your crewmates. Let's dive in. First things first, friend code fail in Among Us usually indicates a problem with your internet connection, a server glitch, or an issue with the friend code itself. Now, the easiest fix is to check your internet connection for stability. Ensure your device has a strong and stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try restarting your router and modem. A weak connection can prevent friend codes from being processed. Next, double-check the friend code. Ensure you've entered the code exactly as it's given, paying attention to case sensitivity and any dashes. Even a small typo will cause a failure. You'll also want to restart the Among Us app and your device. Close the game completely, wait a few seconds, then reopen it. Restart your phone or PC. This can clear minor software glitches. Ensure your Among Us app is fully updated to the latest version. Outdated game versions can sometimes struggle with newer friend code systems or server communication. Check your device's app store for any available updates. Finally, if the problem persists, the issue might be on the Among Us servers. Check the official Inner Sloth Twitter X or other social media for any server maintenance or outage announcements. If it's a server-side problem, you'll just have to wait. If this helped you out, hit that like button. Subscribe for more Among Us tips and let me know in the comments what you want to see next.